p.m. Central Daylight Time. No severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Tornado Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. This is a test message.